my cat home. How's everybody? Welcome back to my channel at home with Eden. And ngayon tapos na kami ng market and kakain muna kami ng light meal para sa aming lunchtime. And then after meron tayong Filipino-Australian community at atin muna tayo ng misa. And then after that, meron pumunting salo-salo to celebrate the Independence Day. So yun, mag-celebrate ng Independence Day ang Filipino community dito sa Australia. So samahan nyo ako mga kat-home. For the meantime, samahan nyo ako kaming kumain muna ng lunch. So ngayon is super cold. Better may araw na sa araw na to. And since umaga, very foggy day. See you kat-home. Bye! So hi guys, andito kami ngayon and then bumili muna kami ng something na makakain. And then syempre mainit ang panahon kaya nagkapuchino kami bago kami pumunta sa simbahan. And then some chips kami binili. And bumili na rin kami ng kasi ang sabi is bring a plate. So ang is magdala ka ng pagkain. And then something that you can give and share sa kanila. So ngayon nagdala ko bumili kami something din. Ganito. And then, meron kaming 1 box of orange yun ang dadalhin namin sa simbahan para mamaya ng aming lunch. And then, atin muna kami ng misa. Sa ngayon, magla-lunch muna kami. Minom muna kami ng, hindi magla-lunch. Ang kape muna tayo. Mga kachong. Sarap ng cappuccino. Yan. See you kachong sa ating misa. God bless us all. So yun nga mga katom, ang laping sa Filipino community, Australian for the Independence Day. So ngayon nasa celebration nila dito sa Australia. So ngayon merong simple gathering at activity. So that's it. So yan. Ito yung ating reception dito. Ito at home ang venue natin. Yan. Yan ang venue dito. Kalayaan. So kita nyo ang daming table. Yes. See you later at home.
I find it rather beautiful that line refers to your country as the pearl of the Orient Sea. I think that pearl has spread to many other parts of the world, especially with your beautiful expressions and culture, but also in the faith that you are now sharing with us. It is a faith that touches for the hearts of these people in Griffith, but indeed throughout Australia. He was able to relate to the everyday person. Back at the time of Jesus, many of the rabbis and teachers
tapos na po ang misa. Ayan. It's now finished the mass and now we're going to here for the reception. So magre-reception na kami. See you later mga kat-home. Yan, ito yung Yan. busy din doon sa lechonan. So, masyadong haba ang pila sa lechonan. Kain tayo mga kachon! Meron silang parapol. So, paparapol sila. Ang lucky, hindi na twin. My lover. So, yan.
Just an announcement.
Katom is finished the program. Napakasaya po. And then maraming nanalo. But unluckily, I did not win. That the most important thing is camaraderie and then yung friendship sa kanila. Thank you and God bless. Thank you for watching. God bless us all. See you. Love is sharing. Bye.
Happy is the perfect word to describe how I feel. When I'm with you, I'm at ease. I can let down my hair.